Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem from Grace Healing Homoeopathy. Today let us discuss a very important remedy in relation to extremities, and it has such a wonderful symptomatology in the extremity symptom which when indicated will give you good results. Because see, lot of patients comes to us with pain in the limbs, pain in the joints, pain in the hands, pain in the feet, arthritis pain, and they are not better. They have taken a lot of painkillers, but it is not getting relief. So you may think about these short acting remedies or these remedies which has some peculiar symptoms in its drug proving. The remedy which I am talking about is GUAIACUM. So whenever a patient of GUAIACUM comes to you, you have to see some symptom which are very peculiar to that remedy, For example, in GUAIACUM you must remember immovable stiffness. मतलब इतने जॉइंट्स में अकड़ रही थी कि पेशेंट इसको हला भी नहीं सकता. Immovable stiffness, a very very important symptom of GUAIACUM. Second, you have rheumatic pain of the shoulder, of the arms, of the hands, and that is also GUAIACUM. In GUAIACUM, see what is important: the joints are swollen, the joints are painful, and they are intolerance of pressure. Normally, whenever you have pain, the patient says, when I do massage, when somebody does a massage, I feel better. But in GUAIACUM, intolerance of pressure. Sometimes the patient comes to you saying, when I am wearing tight pants, it creates pressure on the knee joint, and that's also painful. So that's why I wear loose clothing. So you have to try to interpret these symptoms of GUAIACUM. आपको समझना पड़ेगा. One more important symptom GUAIACUM का जो है वो, he cannot bear any heat. मतलब पेशेंट ने आपको आके बोल दिया कि मैं जब सिकाई करता हूँ, मैं जब हीट लगाता हूँ वहाँ पे, तो मुझे बहुत तकलीफ होती है. कैन नॉट बेयर इट, एंड दैट्स अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सिम्टम ऑफ GUAIACUM. इनफैक्ट देयर इज अ फीलिंग ऑफ हीट इन द अफेक्टेड पार्ट. जहाँ उसको तकलीफ है वहाँ गरम गरम लगता है. पेशेंट बोलता है ना, डॉक्टर साहब मेरे को जॉइंट में बहुत तकलीफ है और बहुत गरम लगता है. दैट्स अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सिम्टम ऑफ GUAIACUM. As you go further, there are some symptoms which are so very important of GUAIACUM, that is feeling of heat, as I told you. So how will be the modality of GUAIACUM? That is important. In general, if there is pain in the extremities, after that pain, if the patient applied something cold, the pain is better. That is a very very important symptom of GUAIACUM. You must have seen this symptom very common in a common remedies like Ladam-Pal. We have Pulsatilla, we have sickle core, but it is there in GUAIACUM also. That is generalized pain in the extremities, cold application ameliorates. Or you can say, there is one more symptom of GUAIACUM that comes to my mind, that a person came to me and he said that something wrong happened to my family, to my friends, and whenever I am emotionally vulnerable, my joint pain starts, or my pain in the extremity starts, or my pain in the limb starts. So in GUAIACUM, it is said that pain in the extremities, emotion aggravates. Whenever there is emotion, it aggravates the complaint. Think about GUAIACUM and think about bryonia also. But as I told you, the rheumatic complaint, the extremities pain in GUAIACUM is better by cold. Remember, my dear friends, this symptom: GUAIACUM, Ladam-Pal, Pulsatilla, sickle core. This is or you say, I think leg can also has it. This is a very very important symptom. Most of the patients says that मैं गरम सेक करता हूँ, मैं वो पैड लगाता हूँ, मुझे बहुत पसंद आता है. But these remedies would say that cold application ameliorates. In GUAIACUM, one symptom is also very important: weakness of extremities from exertion. In fact, weakness of extremities from least exertion. थोड़ा भी exertion किया, उसको joints बहुत weak लगते हैं, उसकी extremities भी लगती है, चल नहीं पाता है. That is GUAIACUM. Of course, you do compare that symptom, that is weakness of the extremities from least exertion. You can think about GUAIACUM, you can think about Kali carb, you can think about arsenic album, you can think about carbo wedge, calcarea carb. But GUAIACUM is also there. One more symptom, as we say, cold application ameliorates. Then you must say there is pain in the lower limbs. Warmth of the bed aggravates. Warmth of the bed aggravates. Do think about GUAIACUM. Do think about Ladam-Pal also. or you can say mercury and veratrum also has this symptom. So these are very, very important and very, very peculiar symptom of guaiacum. In fact, I remember one symptom of sciatica. If you have seen my video on nephilum, I have told you in length about the sciatica symptom of nephilum. In guaiacum, there is also sciatica, that is pain in the lower limb. Stretching the leg, when the patient stretches the leg, it aggravates. बहुत बार आपको पेशेंट आके बोलता डॉक्टर साहब मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा ये नस का दर्द है ना, मैं जब पैर सीधा करता हूँ ना तो मुझे बहुत तकलीफ होती है. That is guaiacum. And what I said in nephilum, that flexing the limb to the abdomen ameliorates. So this is how you have to understand your comparative mater medica, so that you are a better prescriber, so that you are able to differentiate this symptom. That's important. So my dear friends, a very interesting remedy, a very important remedy for pain in the extremities, guaiacum. If you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.